Welcome to the January Newscast. We are the biggest birds. We have 3 new people on the Newscast with Jay coming back with me. We got Graydon, Drayson, and Delaney. So I'm going to have them introduce themselves.
I'm Delaney. I'm Delaney.
I'm Drayson.
I'm Graydon.
We're the biggest birds.
I'm here with Lucas James, Sr. for the Scholar Bowl, and I'm going to be asking him a few questions. What is Scholar Bowl?
Well, Scholar Bowl is this question and answer trivia game, almost like Jeopardy. You split into 2 teams of 4, obviously that's represented by each school, and they'll ask a question about a certain topic. Sometimes it's science, math, history, geography, sports is sometimes asked. And then when you know the answer, you ring the buzzer, and then after you're recognized, if you get the question right, then your team gets a 3-part bonus question that's all on a specific topic. And the team with the most points at the end of the game wins.
What is your favorite subject?
I'd say, I guess mostly it's probably like history or something like that, just because a lot of it just really depends on what you're good at, because I'm not necessarily that good at math, but I know Riley Queen, who's a junior on the team, is really good at math, so he likes the math questions. I guess I'm strongest definitely in like the history field as well as like sports and geography. So I'd say that's kind of what I like the most.
Okay. How do you prepare for a Scholar Bowl match?
It's really hard to prepare, honestly, because the whole point of Scholar Bowl is the fact that it's like you don't know the questions.
Right.
Like you can read all about like presidents or African countries, and then the Scholar Bowl game has no questions about anything like that. And so a lot of it, honestly, is just brushing up on a whole bunch of topics. Sometimes when we're on away games, Mr. Parker, Mr. Reardon will read questions to us on the bus before, just so we can kind of get in that mindset.
Okay. Do you consider yourself an expert in one particular subject?
I mean, I would say sports, but last week I flubbed a pretty bad sports question. I would say sports, I guess, just because I like sports, I watch sports, and typically sports questions in Scholar Bowl tend not to get too intricate. So, it's usually pretty basic sports stuff.
Okay.
I'm the biggest bird. We're going to send it on to Jarrett, who's going to talk about Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
I'm Jay Money, here to talk about Martin Luther King Jr. MLK was born on January 15th, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia, and died on April 4th, 1968 due to a fatal gunshot wound. He was known for leading the movement to end segregation and prejudice in the United States. He gave the I Have a Dream speech in front of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., and he believed that someone shouldn't be judged on the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. That's all I have for MLK. Now on to the basketball segment.
The girls currently have a record of 3-14, not the season they were hoping for. They got a game Friday versus Brookfield for court warming. We're hoping that goes very well for them. Now for boys basketball.
At the time that we are recording this, our record is 6-11, and we have a game also Friday against Brookfield Bulldogs, court warming.
So come out and support the Indians on Friday. Back in November, we played Seth's Posse in basketball. We're trying to tie up that series 1-1 right now. We have Drayson Daniels mic'd up, so
Let's get into it.
Am I on, Seth?
Who's guarding here? Okay, I'll guard Lucas.
Okay.
What is this?
Screen!
No!
Move.
Oh,
Here.
oh,
Take it to him! Take it to him!
Seth stinks.
Do something!
Lucas is also getting mad. Oh my God. Oh!
I thought Seth.
Not on me. Not on me. Not on me. That's out, dude.
Jay, stay on.
Seth's hurt. Oh, thank you. Come again. Ooh. Oh. Hit it, Brian. What are you waiting on? Bang. Oh. Oh my God. Block him, block him, block him. Oh.
Wait, what?
Good job.
Thank you.
I'm trying not to breathe heavy. Oh yeah, Brian. Oh yeah. Shoot it, Jarrett. Shoot it. That's money. Oh my gosh. The game. And you're, oh, you. No. Oh no. Oh. Good job, Jarrett. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Knocked his glass. I don't know what to say.
Dude, you gotta do what I did.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so.
Uh-oh.
Good intentions are on the mic. What's that?
Oh yeah. Score it, Brian. Good job, Jarrett. Oh no. Good job, Brian. Jarrett. Oh. Brian, get up. Jarrett, score it. Oh no. Oh, oh dude, I'm gonna take you all the way down there. And one. Dang it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, Jarrett. Don't give it to me.
Don't give it to me.
2 in a row. 2. Oh yeah. God dang. Jarrett. Good shot. Oh no. I'm breathing so heavy. Okay, I'm not giving it to Jarrett because Seth's a elite defender. You're about past the rest of me again. Oh no. I gotta score the basketball. Brian, score it!
Score it!
And I missed. Oh. Okay, well, I'll get Seth since he's a. Oh my gosh, Jarrett. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was a miscommunication on me and Jarrett there.
Offense. Wait.
Dude, if he ain't guarding you, Jarrett, he ain't even guarding you. Just hit it in his mouth. He don't believe you can hit. You can't hit like. Oh, good pass, Brian. Oh, that's a, oh, that was definitely a travel.
Wait, are we playing?
No.
No.
I just threw it off my own teammate. That was a travel, man.
You guys still played it.
No, your team played it. You had the ball. Jarrett, what are you doing, man? Uh-oh. The elite scorer. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Ooh. What? We have 7 or they have 7?
We have 8.
We have 8. Ooh.
Hold that, Lucas.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, got it. Air ball. Dude, Seth hit me right in the mouth. Shoot it, Brand. Oh, no. Good board, Jarrett.
Seth, what are you doing?
Take your time. Take your time. Oh, thanks. Hand delivered.
All right, I got this.
He hand delivered me that.
10-7?
No one can guard me.
7.
Ooh. Oh, good take. Good job, Jarrett. Oh, yeah. Point guard. Oh. Uh-oh. He's taking it all the way. Oh no. All right, no, that's not on him. Oh no. A guy that's mic'd up would never lie. Oh yeah, I made that layup. Here, help him up, Jarrett. Show good sportsmanship. Hopefully Seth doesn't choke like the Cowboys.
We won that game. They won that.
Talking about the years prior. That was definitely a double, Isaiah. That was a double whammy. Why didn't you shoot it?
Yeah, baby. We're back in.
Oh man. Dang it. Got. Oh, he's gonna do the mellow fade. Oh no, lethal. Oh,
Hey, Isaiah.
I'm just gonna stay down here in the paint. That's a brick. Oh, back scored. From deep. And one. Oh, dude. You just hit me in the mouth every time. You gotta guard him out there, Brian. You gotta guard him out there. Oh no, guys. Dang, dude. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, buddy. Oh. Oh, quit, dude. Jarrett, take the ball. Oh, yeah, behind you. Just throw it behind. Hey, that's an air ball, dude.
Right here.
Brian, what are you doing, dude? A football game. Uh-oh.
Set profit. Set profit.
Oh, swinging at the James. Oh, man. Oh, that's out, dude. We ain't letting that one slide either.
Exactly how we draw it up.
It's not very good. Brian's okay. Yeah. I'm ditching it.
Are you?
Oh,
boy. Yes. Three. Good shot.
oh no. I probably should rebound.
Set for that. Set.
Come on. You give it to Jarrett. Never mind, Seth's on him. Seth's on him. Hit it. Oh! Oh my.
13. Oh, that's off. Oh, that was safe.
Seth's posse took the W in the basketball series just now.
Next month, we got the Super Bowl between us two. Series tied 1-1, winner take all. But now we have the MVP trophy for today. Isaiah Harden, can you come here? He is the MVP of tonight's game, and we wish him luck in his next game.
I like
Didn't he win in football too?
He had like 2 points.
I had like 7.
On to whoever's next.
Thank you for watching the January newscast.
We
are the biggest birds.
Tune into next month's newscast.